Located in the heart of South Boise and in a price point that's actually affordable, this is a property that you have to check out if you're looking in this part of town. I'm David Nielsen with Platinum Idaho Real Estate, and if you're looking for something with very usable square footage, a large yard, and a part of town that still feels kind of rural but is so close in minutes to everything like the connector, shopping, Boise Airport, and so much more, then look no further because this property has it all. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a large yard, and situated on a quiet cul-de-sac, this property will likely meet all of your needs. Let's step inside and I'll show you around. One of the things I love about this property is the 2 large but separate living spaces. When you enter the home, you're greeted by majestic 20-foot ceilings in this spacious living room with a fireplace, tall transom windows, and a plant shelf. At the back of the house and adjacent to the open kitchen and dining area is a large family room with views of the backyard and an adjacent bedroom or office. The upstairs living space is laid out perfectly too. All of the bedrooms are situated around a common landing area that could be used as a TV area, playroom, exercise area, or a reading nook. And with modern finishes, stylish colors, and brand new carpet, this home is just over 5 years old and almost like new. And with great curb appeal and a good-sized, fully fenced backyard, there's plenty of room for gardening or entertaining. If you'd like more information on this property or you'd like to schedule a showing, please feel free to reach out to me at the contact information shown or visit us at platinumidaho.com.